In precision tooling, every micron matters. Hard milling uses high-speed cutters to shape hardened steel, offering speed and versatility. It's ideal for high material removal rates and smooth finishes on tough materials. EDM removes material with electrical sparks, perfect for intricate shapes and tight tolerances. It excels in creating sharp corners, deep cavities, and mirror-like finishes. Many manufacturers combine both milling for speed, EDM for ultimate precision. Choosing the right process delivers accuracy, efficiency, and a perfect fit every time.